Hi everyone, welcome to my next video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a cheesecake. Let's get started. So first we're going to crush 120 grams of cookies. I'm going to first crush them in a bowl, and then I'm going to put them in a Ziploc bag and then use this tool to crush them because it kind of gets really hard to crush them thoroughly. Now we're going to put our cookies back in the bowl, and we're going to get 60 grams of butter and melt them and then add them to the cookies until it's kind of like until the cookies are more firm and like not just a bunch of crumbs. Then we're going to add that to our pan. Once we have added that to our pan, we're going to flatten it with a spoon so it's like your base of your cheesecake is nice and flat and it doesn't look weird when you take it out of the pan. Now we're going to get some parchment paper. I'm going to cut a little bit, and we're going to use a bit of butter to kind of like grease our pan to make the parchment paper stick. So I'm going to use the butter as a glue stick basically. Going to apply it onto the parchment paper. Apply some butter, then glue it. Actually not glue it, but put it like that. Then we're going to get some aluminum foil. We're going to cut a big piece. Then we're going to put a pan in the middle and use the aluminum foil to kind of wrap it. I'll tell you what this is for a little bit later. And here I present you my very crazy brother. You can go check out his videos on my channel, a playlist titled Nico's Videos. So now we're going to add 400 grams of cream cheese. Those nice big bars. Then we're going to add 8 tablespoons of sugar. And then we're going to smash that. Smash it until until the cream cheese is creamier. Then we're going to add 200 grams of sour cream, and we're going to smash them together again. Then 150 milliliters of heavy cream, and we're going to mix that. It's kind of like turning into batter now, so keep mixing. Now we're going to add 2 eggs. At first when you mix them, it kind of looks like it's about to turn really yellow, but if you mix it thoroughly, it's not going to appear yellow. It's kind of going to give it a nice little color actually. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Don't add too much cornstarch because same thing with slime. it kind of like turns too thick and hard. Then a little teeny tiny drop of vanilla extract. I don't know if anyone ever measures vanilla extract. I just like to put a little bit. Then we're going to need lime/lemon juice. Here I'm using baby lemons, but because I had them. So if you don't have baby lemons, you can use half of a normal lemon or a lime. Then I'm going to use a mixer to incorporate those big chunks of cream cheese that I didn't smash, so there aren't any random chunks in your cheesecake. And we're going to mix that together. You can add more sugar as desired. I added 2 tablespoons of sugar more, so it's like nice and sweet. Then we're going to pour our batter on top of the cookie base we did earlier. And scrape it with a little spoon so you don't waste your batter. Watch how I'm doing it, I'm not wasting. So then you're going to kind of shake it up a little and then use if you have like a spoon to flatten it. And we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to prepare our cheesecake. So now we're going to get a bigger pan. You can use a rectangular pan like I did. We're going to place our cheesecake on top of it and fill it with water. This will keep our cheesecake moist, so it's going to be nice and moist. Now we're going to put it in the oven. That's our cheesecake. And we're going to leave it at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Then we will change this temperature. And we're going to leave it in the oven. Now we're going to lower our temperature to 305 degrees Fahrenheit and we'll bake our cake for 30 minutes and I'll tell you what's next. Now we're going to turn off our oven and leave our cheesecake, let it cook for an hour. Okay, so now we're going to chop our berries into a little ring. I don't know, I think chop them like any way you want. I'm just going to chop them like this. I'm going to put it on its side and then cut it. Okay, so we've got our berries chopped up. Now we're going to distribute them all over the cake. Okay, so it's okay if you have leftovers. So I'm going to eat these later. I'm going to put them over there. Actually, I'm going to eat one right now. So now our cheesecake is finally ready. I'm going to cut myself a super tiny slice. For the plate. This tiny plate, super tiny plate. I'm going to try to get my slice out. Okay. So there, that's our finished cheesecake. Bye! And subscribe to the channel.